Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the human activity recognition using machine learning. So in that project we are using the YOLO VR11 algorithm, and there is two options, live camera and upload video. For the live camera, just click on the start webcam, then it will open the webcam and to identify the person is drinking texting message with their accuracy. Right now it is detecting as a writing a message with 0.97% accuracy, writing on a board 0.93% accuracy. It will open the laptop front camera and identify the type of activities which they are performing using a computer, sleeping with 0.88% accuracy, using a computer, sleeping. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.